Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area and we will see how the situation right there at the moment, also on the beach and art market in Kuta. And today I will make a video around 16 minutes without skip because I want to show you how the real condition at the moment in Kuta area after tourism destination is open. Also the beach is already open. Okay guys, keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Kuta area on Legian Street, Raya Kuta Street and Melasti Street. And also we will see how the situation at the moment in Kota Beach, also art market in Kuta. Okay guys, if I straight down, that is the way to go to Double Six Beach, but I turn left because I want to see how the situation at the moment in Kuta area. And now we are in Legian Street, and on this video I make video around 16 minute video without skip, so you will see how the real situation at the moment in this area. You see at the front right side, there is a taxi. I'm really happy. It's mean like Bali getting better for the tourism now. Actually, destination for tourism is already open, so that's why Bali is getting better. And now there is a lot local tourism. They come from Java or other island from Indonesia. They come to Bali to make vacation. So I'm gonna say like Bali getting better. But for international tourism, our government planning will be open in October or November because Ministry of Indonesia already arranged about the reopening tourism in Bali. So we hope together, because the low case for COVID pandemic and the tourism international will be open very soon in Bali. But you can see today that is some shop is already open, but yeah, there is a lot of shops still closed. But on the road there is some people drive around in this area. I mean like there is some activity. It's much better than last month. It looks very busy, isn't it? Lots of people driving on motorbike. They driving very fast. You see left side? Oh no, the shop is still closed. And if you see on the sidewalk, it looks very empty. I mean, no people walking around on the sidewalk. Okay guys, if you see the weather today is very beautiful. It's very sunny. Actually, I'm gonna say the weather in Bali, maybe like about 90% during the day, always sunny. I'm really happy to see that. Actually, in this area there is a lot of shop, but not so much hotels. So that's why during the day usually there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk when the shop is open and when the lots of people come into Bali. I mean the tourism. Yeah, we hope together this pandemic will be over as soon as possible, so people will have normal life as before. Okay guys, if I turn right, that is the way to go to the Kuta Beach. To the left, that is go to Denpasar. But I will keep straight down, driving, because we will explore Legian Street, the central street in Kuta. As we know together, there is a lot of people know about Legian Street because this is very famous street in Bali. You see the tourists on bicycle at the front? Yeah, I'm really happy to see that. Okay, now we are still in Legian Street. So this is the situation at the moment in Legian Street. In the right side and left side, there is a lot of hotel behind the shop. And also in this area there is have some nice restaurant, and also there are a lot of shop in this area. So that's why before the pandemic corona, in this area is very famous. People for walk around on the sidewalk. Usually it's very busy. Mama's restaurant, right side? Yeah, that's Mama's restaurant. So what do you think about Legian? Still look very quiet, isn't it? Oh my god, still look very quiet. So this is the situation at the moment in Kuta area on 28 September 2021. Look very quiet. Okay guys, I want to say really thank you very much for your support this channel, because you're already watching this video and also already subscribed my channel. And also if you just find this channel, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people missing this area. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during the pandemic corona 2021. You see right side and left side? There is a lot of shop still closed actually. And the road is very quiet. Look like not so many people there. On the end of this video, I will show you how the situation at the moment in Kota Beach. Also, one art market in Kuta area. Okay guys, now we reach the central of Kuta area. This is Legian, we call ground zero area. Okay, you see behind? Yes, there is the monument of ground zero. Look very quiet, isn't it? There's no people there. Just very quiet. You see at the front, right side? There is the way to go to Poppy's Line 2, the most famous street in Kuta Bali. Okay, now we continue driving to explore Kota Beach. In this area, during the night time, there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk, because in this area there is a lot of night bar, as VIP, reggae, engine room, Paddy's pub, Bounty club. All the big nightclub is around here. So that's why if you come in this area around 10 p.m, will be a lot of strong music. Okay guys, let's continue to see how the situation at the moment in Lagoon Street. So you can see the right side and left side, there is some shop already open actually. But there is still a lot of shop is closed. It's very sad, isn't it? You see how quiet it is. There is no people there. Not so many cars driving around in this area today. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Lagoon Street. It's very quiet, isn't it? Some shop open, but also some shop still closed. I'm gonna say like 90% shop is closed, 10% shop is open. Okay guys, if at the front I turn left, that is the way to go to Denpasar. But I will turn right because we will explore Kota Beach. So this is Raya Kota Street. You see in this area, there is in this area a lot of shop. Right side and left side there is a shop, and also some hotels. But yeah, I'm gonna say like it's almost the same as last month. Still look quiet. You see the shop? Right side? Right side? Also in the right side? They are closed. It's very sad, isn't it? In this area is very famous because nearby Kota Beach, also the central of Art Market Kuta. And before the pandemic corona, there will be for sure lots of people walk around on the sidewalk. But you see today, it's very quiet. There's no people there. Oh, there is some people on the right side. There is a tourist. I'm happy to see that. If I turn right at the front, that is go to the Matahari Square, the Matahari department store, and Kuta Art Market. But I keep straight on because we will see how the situation in Kota Beach. Yeah, so far beautiful, isn't it? Blue ocean, blue sky. This is Kuta Bali. You see, if you come to the beach, you must have already certificate of vaccine. So you have scanned the barcode on your vaccine. You see right side? There is Hard Rock. It's already open. Is some people there? That's good. And also, left side there is parking area for Kota Beach and some motorbike parking there. Yeah, it's been like some people go to the beach. Hard Rock Hotel, there's a lot of car parking inside. There's lots of people there too. Mercure Kuta, some car parking there. It's been like some people stay there. That is good. You see? You see on the right side? There is the Kuta Beach Heritage Hotel. There's some car parking there. That's good. I'm really happy to see that. Actually, I'm gonna say like Kuta is getting better than last month. Also then, right side. Yeah, that is good. Along the way on the left side is Kuta Beach. And at the right side, there is some hotel and also a shop. Right side, Kuta View Hotel. There's some car parking there. It's mean like some people stay there. Okay, at the front, if I turn right, that is the way to go to the Poppies line too. Yeah, just right side. But we continue driving to see how the beautiful weather today around Kuta area. And in the right side, there is a big mall we call Beach Walk. It's already open. But if you want to come down there, you have to bring your certificate of your vaccine. See left side, there is a lot more motorbike, and then people they go to the Beach Walk mall. Okay, you see right side. Yeah, that is open already. It's very beautiful mall here. Also during the sunset, you can go upstairs on this mall and you can see the sunset from the top. It's very beautiful. Yeah, there is some activity now. I mean like there is some motorbike parking side on the beach. It's mean like everything will be get normal soonly. And this video I take on 9 AM. Usually in 9 AM there is still not so people drive around on the road. But I'm really happy because there is a lot of people already go to the beach. But you see, it's very quiet, isn't it, on the road? Oh my God. I'm really hope, as our government say, ministry, they arrange to reopen our international tourism in Bali on October or November on this year. You see right side? Mamaka. There is some people there inside restaurant. Look busy. Also in this area, you see left side, there is some car and motorbike parking. Looks so busy around here. Yeah, there's the tourists walk around. You see to the right side, there is the student hotel, the big hotel in Kuta area. Okay guys, now we try to find parking to see how the situation at the moment in Kuta Beach. Yeah, I think it's good for the parking here. Okay, now I try to find parking and we will see together how look like the situation at the moment in Kota Beach, how the business there, how the people there, how the weather there. Okay, now I go in to the Kota Beach. There is some umbrella is already on. I mean, like, there is some people doing some business on the beach. That's really good. So business starting now. Even quiet, but it's good sign for Bali. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Kota Beach is very beautiful. White sand, clean, the wave, umbrella. The weather is so amazing. So very beautiful. Actually, a lot beginner surfer, they learn how to surf on this beach. So that's why in this area, a lot of people doing some business as surfboard rental. Okay, now we continue driving and we will see how look like the situation at the moment in Kuta Art Market. So we hope together the Kuta Art Market will be open today. Left side, beach. Right side, lot big hotel. Pullman Hotel right side. Okay, from Raya Kuta Street we turn right to explore Melasti Street. Yes, now we are in Melasti Street. In Melasti Street we have Art Market. So we will see together how the situation right there at the moment. Yeah, this is Art Market. It's already open. Quiet, not so many people, but it's open. This is good. Good sign for Bali. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.